Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Colleen. In today's video, I have something that I've never really done on my channel, I don't think, which is an unboxing video of things that I ordered online. And today we are focusing on the Sephora sale, and I wanted to make this for you guys because the sale is starting for a lot of you guys, and I did get kind of an early access because I'm VIP Rouge, I think. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I picked up from the sale, and I'm probably gonna reorder more things because I feel like the Sephora sale is just the time where I just go off and I buy everything that I need. Every year I feel like I find new things that I need to get, like new makeup products or new hair care products, which is the first time in forever that I really thought of buying hair things and like hair care products. If you guys want to see what my Sephora purchases from this spring sale is, then make sure you guys stay tuned. If you guys like the idea of like unboxing and all of that, then let me know. If you guys haven't subscribed to me already, make sure you guys are doing that, and also like this video if you guys are liking it so far, and let's get started. I ordered 2 times already, so I'm not going to be surprised if I end up ordering more. But the first package, I guess I'll start off with. I already unboxed it and everything because I wanted to smell it so bad. But I got some hair products, and these are from the brand Day. So this is the shampoo that I picked up. So it gently cleanses and hydrates, and it's safe for color treated hair. So me and my sister, a lot of our things that we buy from the sale, we share in terms of like skincare and hair. So we are excited to try this. So this has a creamsicle, like an orange creamsicle scent. And guys, look at the packaging. Like, it's just so pretty and sleek. But I really like how this comes with like a pump, because I hate when my hands are like really wet in the shower, so like it's hard to like open up a cap, and especially with the Olaplex shampoo, you guys know exactly what I mean. So for it to come with a little bit of a pump, it'll be easier to just pump onto your hand and wash your hair with. So I'm excited to try this. I think it's still sealed, but it does smell like a creamsicle, and I'm so excited. And then the next thing, I think it's some matching conditioner for this. This is the Day conditioner, and this is the one that hydrates and protects hair from breakage. This has a moringa leaf extract and seed oil, and it boosts keratin production and all that. I don't know too much about hair, but I think that's a good thing. I think the packaging is almost identical. I think it's a lighter pink, but still so cute. I think the packaging just really won my heart because it came with a pump. That's the only thing I miss about drugstore products, is that most of them do have a pump, and it's a lot easier to like apply. So I also picked up the Day Prickly Pear hair oil. I haven't opened this yet, so we shall open it. I'm sorry to my sister because sometimes she likes to open things before me, especially if we're sharing something. Really exposing you, Dana, out here, but why is this like the hardest thing to open? It's just like a little sticker. I don't have scissors with me. I do have tweezers. Okay, so the tweezers work. We're not gonna do that again though. Look at the packaging, first of all. Like, this is just the cardboard box, and then when you open it, it's so cute, guys. Like, I can't take it. Can be used on the daily. I love their play on words. They said daily because of the brand. It's a multi-purpose miracle worker on dry hair. It's a detangler on damp hair, and then overnight hydration treatment. And you use 1 pump, smooth it over your strands, and repeat as needed. If you have excess product, apply it anywhere on the body in need of moisture. That's really cool. This is a really pretty hair oil. I have only ever really used the Gisou hair oil. So it does come with a pump as well, queens and kings, if you guys are interested. I just love anything with a pump, like I've freaking repeated 12 times already, but I really like that, and it's supposed to have some kind of green apple scent, I think. I'll let you guys know how all of these go. And Day, the brand, are vegan. They have no sulfates, no parabens, or synthetic fragrances, and they're also cruelty free. So if you're interested in trying like more clean products for your hair, try that out. I'm interested in seeing how those perform, so maybe I can do like some kind of progress type of video if you guys are interested. I don't know. But I did pick up this Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. I haven't opened it. Everything is just like first impressions right now. So I saw a girl on TikTok use this. Guys, now that I really don't have much to do and I don't really talk to many people in the pandemic, I just spend all of my time on TikTok. So but this girl was using this cream blush, and I opened it way too fast. I was in the middle of a sentence. But look at this color. I wasn't expecting like more of like a rosy color like this, but I think this could really work. So it's really pigmented. Like this is like with 2 swipes on my hand. My nails aren't done, but I think on the cheek, like it'll look really, really cute, like a baby doll blush. This is in the color Summertime Wine. Just by swatching it right here, like I feel like it'll be a really good little vibe. I'm gonna try it tonight or tomorrow. I already have makeup on, but why don't we just try it? So I think I might have put too much. I also have like powdered on my face already, so I might have just ruined my face. I think I put way too much on. For me, blush wears off so quick. I think if I put a little bit of like powder on top, it should kind of calm it down. I'm excited to see like how well this wears. I put on way too much, but I think on camera like it looks okay. Just like a doll kind of blush. I think it looks really, really happy, and like I look really glowy, which is really nice. So far so good. I really like the color that I chose as well. I feel like Fenty is just so versatile, and they have so many products now, like skincare. Hello Fenty, Miss Riri, you're doing so well out here. Like I've never used like face products from them, so I'm excited. This looks really cute. Moving on with my next package. Okay, I just broke the entire box. I don't remember what I ordered, so we have the samples. I think one size is Patrick Starr's makeup line, but I heard it's really, really good. This is the one size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. This is the first time they actually sent me everything that I asked for as like a sample, because sometimes they kind of just like throw in whatever. I love samples. Samples are just... But I also got the Miss Dior perfume. I love trying new perfumes. As you guys know, I've talked about it in my Sephora must-haves. I'll link it up here for you guys to check out if you guys are interested in seeing that. However, it's weird, I didn't buy any of those this time, only because I still have like backups and backups of those things. Vanilla Woods from the 7 Virtues is my favorite scent, and everybody loves it. Everybody compliments it every time I wear it. So if you're in the lookout for a new scent, try that. Continuing on with the things that I actually bought. Morphe, their setting mist, their continuous setting mist is one of my favorites. I have used this for like a year and a half now, and I just finished my bottle, which is insane. So it's just in an aerosol can, but the way that it sprays, like I'll literally set my face right now. It has like the best setting parameter ever. Like I don't know if that was caught on camera, but you guys can just like see how much it sprays out, but so little at the same time. Like again, I used one bottle up in a year and a half. For me at least, I'm not the greatest at makeup. If I make a mistake and I need to blend something out but it's not budging, spraying on this just makes the biggest difference. Okay, and the next thing that I picked up was a lip gloss. I have wanted to try the Madison Beer collab for a while now, but I just didn't know where to start. I don't wear like any kind of eye makeup aside from like lashes and then my eyebrows, so I didn't really know if I wanted to do like a whole eyeshadow palette. This is the Madison Beer lip gloss in the color Mars. I was so torn between this color and I think it was Saturn, because they're just really nice natural nudes. I went with the Mars one anyways because I wanted to try like something more neutral, like a brown. I think this would look really nice on darker skin tones. We'll see how it looks on me. I'm hoping it's like a sheer like little tint, so I guess I'll try it right now. Okay. Oh my god, she's cute. It's like a brownish like chai latte. Y'all know I love my chai lattes. Doesn't look like it's like super pigmented, which is really nice. I think it looks really good on the lips. Wow, Miss Madison Beer. I have always been a fan of her, and she's like my favorite queens of all time. I'm gonna have to buy more before we sell out. So I'm gonna buy more of these. I really like this, and I think it's really versatile. If you do like a dark lip liner and then you apply this, guys, hear me out. Just hear me out. I think that would be a really nice look. This is the color Mars on me. I know like with masks and everything, you're not really gonna see it anyways, but you know, for your selfies, you're putting it on for yourself, okay? You're putting it on for you to see and for you only. And it's actually pretty cheap. I think I have the receipt right here. I think it was like $13 before the discount. So far, I haven't regretted any of my purchases just yet, which is nice. The next thing that I picked up was a Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. Tarte has one of the best blushes, I think, in terms of like powder ones. I haven't tried their cream ones just yet. I know for a while it's been going around TikTok that Kylie Jenner uses the Dior Rosy Glow blush. I wanted to try this because I feel like the color is almost identical. I'll put it like right here next to it. You guys can see. You guys know what I'm talking about? I don't know, like I could be just colorblind. So would it be too much if I put it on top of the Fenty? I don't know. Guys. Stop. Okay, this is like a really nice like baby doll blush. I think it looks so good. So the last thing that I actually have used for a while now, I got this before the sale, which is a very rookie mistake of me because I knew the sale was coming up, but I was just like, I want to try this new sunscreen. So I bought it without the discount. Am I a big baller? I don't know. I bought the Supergoop Glow Screen, and I've used the Unseen sunscreen in previous tutorials as well, and I really love that one. I have really oily skin, so the Unseen sunscreen is very ideal for that, but I feel like even with the glow screen, my skin doesn't get overwhelmingly oily as much. It has a tint to it as well compared to the Unseen one, which I'll show you guys on my hand right now. Right there, you can kind of see like it just blends out to be like nothing. And then here, this is the glow screen. It just leaves like a nice sheen to the skin. Both of them kind of just blend out to be like nothing on my skin, at least. If you guys are contemplating whether or not to get it, I think now is the time with the sale. I think it's the cheapest that you will end up getting it for anyways. I hope this was kind of fun for you guys. This was like a first impressions unboxing. I think this will be really fun if I do this with clothing too, because you guys know I love shopping for new clothes. I always keep you guys updated on new things that I buy on my Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me there, what are you guys doing? Go follow me there. It's at Colleen Ho. You can also follow me on my TikTok. I rarely use it. I really just use it to scroll on my For You page, but occasionally I'll post like TikTok here and there, so you guys can check that out. One thing that I want to keep myself accountable for is to start posting twice a week. I feel like already thinking of one video for 1 week is hard, but I think I want to start challenging myself to just try and post twice a week. I think that'll be really cool. Let me know if you guys want more than one upload in a week. I just don't want to feel like I'm bombarding you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!